said a thing. I finally learned my lesson, and I'm started spending all my time alone. If I told you that I realized you're all I ever wanted, and it's killing me to be so far away, would you tell me that you love me too? And would we cry together? Or would you simply laugh at me and say, I told you so? Oh, I told you so. I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you away. I told you so, but you have to go. Now I find somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. If I got out on my knees and told you I was yours forever, would you get down on yours too and take my hand? Would we get that old time feeling? Would we laugh and talk for hours, the way we did when our love first began? Would you tell me that you miss me too, and that you've been so lonely, and you've waited for the day that I return? Would we live in love forever, and I'm your one and only? Would you say the tables finally turned? Would you say I told